Hey guys, we're going to talk about how to find the zeros of a function. So the function I have here is the third power, so it's doing some kind of shape like this. We know because it's positive, it's going to finish down and continue to go up. And we're just saying, where does it cross the x-axis? So when they ask us for the zeros, they're just saying, when does it cross the x-axis? When it is given to us in this form, the best we can do is possible answers. To find possible answers, we take our c term, which is our very last term, and we say, what multiplies to 4? Well, 4 times 1 gets to 4, and 2 times 2 gets to 4. But also, negative 4 times negative 1 gets to 4, and then positive 2 times positive 2, but also negative 2 to negative 2. So there's a total of 6 numbers that can be up top. Our a term is 1, so positive 1 times positive 1 and negative 1 times negative 1 are all possibilities. So that would be 4, negative 4, 2, negative 2, 1, negative 1, all divided by positive 1. And then I would write that again over negative 1. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 possibilities for our zeros. And we could plug and chug to figure out which one actually works by putting it back into our x's and figuring it out from there. Or we can just say, these are our possibilities, good enough. Okay? If they give it to us in this form, though, a little bit more factored out, what we're going to do is we're going to set equal to 0. So if we can easily factor this and say like x plus 2, x minus 2, awesome. Let's do it that way. But this does not multiply to positive 2, so this is a bad example. So what we would have to do is the quadratic formula. We'd say negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And so we would get 4 plus or minus 16 minus 8 over 2. And so we get 4 plus or minus the square root of 8. And we would go down that rabbit hole to find out what x equals those two numbers. Okay? But remember that these are just the answers for this section. So to find the third number, we do x plus 7 is equal to 0. So x equals negative 7 and the two numbers that we found from this square root.